Where was Andres Bonifacio born? Sa Iloilo or sa Manila? Manila ka?
Manila!
Who is the first president of the Philippines? Where is the Sierra Madre located in the Philippines? What is the anniversary of Super Typhoon Yolanda? Date is 8. Anong man?
November 8.
Correct. What is the international name of Super Typhoon Yolanda? Ang Isla. Okay, correct. Where did Super Typhoon Yolanda first landfall in the Philippines? Eastern Samar or sa Leyte? Eastern Samar by Leyte. If my people will humble themselves and pray, if the seek my face and humble themselves and turn from their wicked ways. What is the theme of the Symphony of Yularman? Meaning na, word of healing or sacrifice? Hold me close, let yours surround me, bring me near, draw me to your side. What is the message of your love? True strength, true divine love, or believe yourself? Wrong strength, when the ocean rises and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still, know you are God. What is the purpose of still by Hillsong, the worship song? Forgiveness or trust in God? Ang daya. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng kayaman? Word kayaman, kayamanan or pag-ibig? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng huwag kang mangamba, huwag kang matakot or sakripisyo? Huwag kang mangamba, huwag kang matakot. Come like a spring in the desert, come to the weir of soul. Oh, let your sweet healing power touch me and make me whole. What is the meaning of come, Holy Spirit? I need you. Helping others or revival? Revival by, correct. Next, according to the Bible, John chapter 17 verse 7, put your trust and confidence in Lamb, and you will be blessed. Starting at the tree, Father ni Jesus, God or Peter? Correct. According to the Bible, be humble and never think you are better than anyone else. What is the Bible verse? G, ang starting at the G. Luke or Genesis chapter 3 verse 19. Question. According to the Bible, the impossible becomes possible when God is in it. What is the Bible verse? Luke chapter 18 verse 27, letter L. Matthew chapter 1 verse 3. Correct. How many last words of Jesus Christ were crucified? Una, 5. Ano rin sunod? 5. Sunod. Correct. What was the grounding of that was placed on Jesus at his crucifixion? Ano to ang suyak ko? Flowers or thorns? Correct. Jesus Christ was born in blank. Nagluto ako sa Bethlehem. Correct. Catriona Grace, the Filipino model, singer, and beauty queen, best known for winning Miss Universe 2018. What age Catriona Gray won Miss Universe 2018? 16 years old or 24 years old? Ano 20? Correct. 24. Very good. The original and most famous version of Big Queen, Walang Ningning, started letter S, is sung by Blanc. She performed it for the movie of the same title, which was released in 1985. Sharon Cuneta or Regine Velasquez. What is the title of story where a character is locked in the tower and uses their long hair as a ladder? Ano, Cinderella or Rapunzel? Shout out kay Ian Legarda at si Lauren Legarda. Ano ang balan mo? Shout out kay pamilya mo, sa pamilya mo. 56 to 60, ano ng mga good conversation, good happiness?
Good happiness!
Correct. Lights on or lights off?
Lights on!
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate!
Best time for happiness?
Chocolate!
Last question. Yes or no? Does love matter? Or size? Ano ba yung size ang kita mong pinaka-highest ang inches? Irabay. Ang sa puno. 1 point ano?
1 point a day!
Okay. Thank you for supporting this page. Please subscribe the interview with Jennifer Castro and face ang YouTube channel, the Jennifer Castro Talk channel. See you to the next episode. Bye.
Yes.